You okay to see the show? Juice Man got to deliver a show.
Battle for first place? Oh, it's gonna be a good one, ain't it?
We leaving everything got down that field today.
Yep.
Knock him back! Knock him back! Get you some of that!
He's knocking it back! We're gonna start taking that ball away now! We're gonna start taking that ball away!
Fires it over the middle. The pass is going to be intercepted at the 7-yard line.
Ball popped up into the air. Diggs might have been intercepted by the Panthers, and it was. Another pick for that Jags terrific secondary.
All pro! All pro! All pro! All pro!
Snap back, it's a good one. And they block it! It's blocked at the 20! It's scooped! Blake Countess! Touchdown! LA!
Well, y'all boys got lucky now.
Keep your eyes in the right place. Good things happen.
That's how big-time teams play in this environment. All right? It's exactly how we wanted to come in here and get it done.
Let's wake up and not make this interesting. Everybody understand that? It's on us. Let's wake up.
We got to keep pounding the rock.
Every time we get that ball, we're going to drive that ball.
And that offensive line, guys, just taking the defensive front, pushes them off the box.
26.
Finding a running room to the right. He's at the 5 to the end zone. Touchdown way beyond Bell.
No one will touch him. Jonathan Stewart houses it.
That was 60 yards.
Hey, good ass run.
Good run, boy.
They ain't doing a whole bunch of exotic them two fat guys in there. Throw it every down. Yeah, son, throw the ball.
Fires along the right sideline. What a catch that time by D.D. Westbrook.
Fires it down the field. Caught by Antonio Brown again.
Only one you. Best in the world.
Right sideline, Keenan Allen falls but makes the catch.
Y'all know he's the video game king. He glitched somehow. He glitched the game. He glitched it.
Going deep, end zone, looking for more. He reaches up and makes the catch. Touchdown.
We just having fun and we working, baby. That's it, baby.
Give me that real quick. Give me that real quick. Ha, 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 ha. There it is.
Good job. Good job. Hey, we not gonna play with these guys, man. Smack their ass off the field. Let's go.
Playing a lot of man-to-man right now because they got to get back in this game. Let's destroy them.
We get a quick stop and we put that ball in Seven's hands right here. Y'all know what's up. Let's roll, boys. Let's roll. Let's roll.
It's a read option play, and Cam keeps it. Oh, he sprints to the 40-45. Looks for a block to the outside, and he gets it. Cold-blooded Cam Newton. Read option, and he nearly was gone.
Hey, they don't score, they don't win. They don't score, they don't win.
Quick toss, Adams, left side, spins loose, got the first down, and to the end zone for the touchdown. And the Packers have won in overtime again.
Get ready to win this game. Get ready to win this game.
Barry holding. The snap is down. The kick by Boswell is on its way. That kick is up, and that kick is good. And the Steelers have clinched the AFC North. How about that?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You don't have to be great for 50 minutes. Just be great right here.
Goff is back. He fires. He completes it. They go into the pitch, the razzle-dazzle. And now it's intercepted by the Eagles on the pitch. And in for the touchdown. It is Brandon Graham. The Eagles have won the NFC East. The Eagles have won the NFC East. And they are again in control of their own destiny.
It's going to be a lot of bleeping, but it's going to be good NFL film footage in about 10 years.
Back in 2017, the Chargers realized it was after an on-4 start that they rallied together.
Hey. How about those Chiefs? Man alive.